Baking soda is a natural product that can aid in weight loss. While it's famous for its medicinal uses, it's also been used to treat excess weight for several years now. As with any other natural ingredient, its effects vary from person to person and aren't exactly miraculous. Its properties help drive the processes that rid the body of those extra kilos. Why is it considered so healthy? How is it used in weight loss? Given that many people are interested in this product, here are some of its main benefits and how you should take it. What is baking soda? Most people have used baking soda at some point in their lives. It's a white powder that is found in nature or is artificially produced, whose chemical formula is NitriHCO3. It's been used in baking since ancient times because it acts as a fermenting agent, helping bread and other doughs rise. It has several medicinal, cosmetic, and cleaning purposes since it has antimicrobial, antioxidant, and emollient substances. It easily combines with other natural ingredients, and is the perfect ally for those who want to lose weight. Why does baking soda help people lose weight? Baking soda is one of the natural supplements of the popular alkaline diet. It helps you lose centimeters and eliminate fat, because its compounds help fight the acidity that affects weight gain. In an acidic body, muscle is burned and there is a greater tendency to accumulate fat. Since baking soda helps regulate the body's pH, it promotes cellular oxygenation and protects muscle mass. It also has digestive properties, since it controls the excessive production of acidic stomach juices, and slow intestinal transit. It helps rid the body of waste, meaning you'll have a leaner abdomen. How to take baking soda for weight loss. You can leverage the properties of baking soda in different recipes. While it's okay to take it alone, you'll benefit more from combining it with other slimming ingredients. Baking soda and lemon. Lemon juice enhances the alkaline properties of baking soda. Lemon juice is an ingredient that has been used to detox the body and improve digestion. This combination of slimming products protects the body from the effects of toxins and, in turn, stimulates the lymphatic system. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, 1 glass of warm water. Preparation: pour the baking soda and lemon juice into a glass of warm water. Mix well and wait until the bubbles disappear. How to take it: drink this every day on an empty stomach. Baking soda and grapefruit juice. People use this citrus fruit to burn fat. It's low in calories, contains fiber, and its antioxidants help detox your body. It becomes a weight loss supplement when combined with baking soda, because it promotes fat breakdown and has a satiating effect. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/2 glass of grapefruit juice, 1/2 glass of water. Preparation: mix the baking soda with 1/2 glass of grapefruit juice. Pour the mixture into a jar and add 1/2 glass of water. How to take it: drink on an empty stomach at least 3 times a week. Baking soda and apple vinegar. The mixture of baking soda and apple vinegar helps regulate the body's pH. When your diet is too acidic and loaded with fats, taking these ingredients improves the digestive process, and reduces the formation of fat deposits in problems areas, such as the abdomen. Ingredients: 1 teaspoon of baking soda, 1/4 cup of apple vinegar, 2 cups of water. Preparation: pour all the ingredients into a jar and mix well with a wooden spoon. How to take it: drink this 30 minutes before breakfast every day. Have you never thought about incorporating baking soda into your diet? If you're trying to lose weight, make sure you leverage its properties. If you like the video, like it and share it to your friends. If you like more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.